Hi, I'm Bryce Merkl Sasaki, and I'm here at Graph Connect Europe in London, and I'm here with James Weaver, a developer advocate with Pivotal.
My friends call me Jim, by the way. You can call me Jim.
Jim, great. So, Jim, talk to me about how do you guys use Neo4j?
Well, I can tell you how I've been using it.
Yeah.
So I just did a presentation here that uses Neo4j. It's called Navigating All the Knowledge. And so it kind of fuses Wikidata and Wikipedia together and demonstrates some of Pivotal's technologies like Spring and Cloud Foundry in the context of being able to semantically navigate Wikipedia articles with Wikidata. And so we're using Neo4j as part of that story, holding 11 million records or nodes and 74 million relationships from Wikipedia and Wikidata to pull that off. So, yeah.
Okay.
And also, Spring has a Spring Data project that interfaces with Neo4j, and I understand from talking to the Neo4j doctors out there at the booth that there's going to be even tighter integration with Neo4j in the form of maybe even Marketplace, and where Neo4j becomes a first-class citizen in the ecosystem. So I'm very excited about that.
Okay, great. And then why did you choose Neo4j for your project?
Well,
what made it stand out?
Well, it's got the cool factor, right? So all the cool kids are using Neo4j, first of all. That's first and foremost. Second of all, it's got a Java slant to it. I'm a longtime Java developer and advocate. So the technologies are right. It's fast. It's a very smart way to solve the graph database kind of to create graph database kinds of solutions. There are a lot of options out there, triple stores and things like that. But for my taste and for just really solving real-world problems and be able to model graph kind of problems and then solve them, Neo4j is the best thing in town.
Great.
Yeah.
So what have been some of your most surprising or interesting results with using Neo4j? Any kind of aha moments?
Yeah, really. So with 11 million nodes and 74 million relationships, I was astounded at the speed. I'm actually using Neo4j hosted with with Graphene DB, and they have a great hosting solution. And so I'm just really astounded at how quickly results come back from queries with that much data. And so that was an aha moment. Another one was the simplicity with Cypher queries, but also the amount of how sophisticated you can make them. You could certainly make them complex, but most of them tend to be very straightforward and very simple to create. So I've just had a very pleasurable experience with Neo4j.
Okay, great. And then if you could take everything you know about Neo4j right now, and you could go back in time to when you first started using it, what would you do differently, or what would you tell yourself?
Okay, so I attended a session today. It was Michael Hunger and Mark Needham, and it was about importing data. And I learned a lot of things there. So I had to import those 11 million nodes and 74 million relationships. And so I learned a lot through going through that exercise, and I learned that Neo4j already has tools to do that. So I could have saved myself a lot of trouble. And then I found out that with Neo4j 3, they're actually using, I believe, the stored procedures. There are even quicker and cooler ways to do that. So knowing that, so if I had to do it all over again, I would probably wait till right now when Neo4j 3 came out and use that cool import mechanism that exists.
Okay, great. And then anything else you want to add or say? Any closing thoughts?
Do you have any closing thoughts? I'd like to know about your job. You seem like you have a pretty cool job being a content kind of person.
Yeah.
Tell me about what you do.
So I'm the content marketing manager at Neo, and I help make sure that our community is well taken care of on social media. People have questions, things like that. always help them find the answer quickly, and then I'm always here for making sure people's projects get shown off on the Neo4j blog. So
Gotcha.
guest contributors, things like that. I'm the facilitator to make sure they can show stuff off.
So when I'm tweeting GraphConnect hashtag and Neo4j hashtag, you may be one of the people retweeting.
I'm probably 95% chance the
Awesome.
person retweeting it.
It's great meeting you.
So yeah, great meeting you, and thank you so much.
Thank you.